Alright everybody, Radio Frenzy over here. I'm going to do a quick siren test because I have time to. And yeah, we're going to do everything on its own and then everything at the same time. Starting off with this guy, the MD319. And we have two levels, but I want to keep it as low. Then we have our WR300. Okay, and then we have our WR120. Then we have our Sangean CL-100. And we have siren level, low. And then we have our WR100. Just a louder version of this one. Then we have our 120 easy, and I don't know why the time got reset. Essentially the same as this one. And then we have, next up, WR400. Oh, oops, I have to set it on alert volume to show you guys. And yeah, this needs to be on voice in order for me to alert test. Then of course we have our Midland ER radios, but those are pretty loud and cannot be activated from the settings. So now we're gonna do everything at the same time. Let's do this. Okay. And there it is. So yeah, one day I'll figure out how to show my ERs to you, but yeah. Okay, so never mind, I got my self-activation ready. I'm going to test the ER310s. This is gonna be crazy. Okay, and there it was. That was insane. But yeah, there's all my radios now.